Again, now I have to lay down the machine because now I can take the clutch assemble. Now you can see here. Now I already remove all the screws, but I remove this one first because I have to check. Here also, this wire also we have to remove now. Now it's very easy to take it out. Now this part also we can take it out. Full set we can take it out. It's coming like that. This cover we have to remove. It's very easy. It's like that. It will come. Now full set we can take it out. You can see here, dear friends. This is clutch assemble. Actually, it is gone already. You can see here. Now I can remove this part also. That's why I remove all the screws are here. This part also will come. I can show you. Now this part you can see here. Rotating, it's like that. You can see here. This one already gone. Now we can replace first. Before replacing, we have to clean properly. After that only we can replace. We will clean the first top assemble. Now it is actually I order new clutch assemble. You can see here. This one is coming like that, but we have to remove the coupling assemble from here to there. We have to fix this coupling assemble is coming separately. Also now this coupling already got damage here. I will remove and I will show you. This one actually already damaged. We have to change another one. I removed already. Now you can see here. This one I can use no problem. Here like that. But problem is this one already got damaged. It's not coming also. It's very tight. You can see here. It is groove already gone. We cannot use this one. Because of that, what we can do, we have to change this one. Because of that, I order. This is the new coupling. I have to use this part only because this part already gone. You can see here. This one already damaged because this glue was already gone. Because of that, I have to change this part. Now I'm going to fix here this one. And before fixing, we have to fix this spring. This one new spring actually. Now it will come like that. Now we can fix like here. This part not fixed into here. Now I can tighten the screws here. Now this is the mechanism with the drain motor is catching this one at the same time, catching the clutch at the same time, only drum rotating, otherwise only pulsator rotating. Now you can see here. Now we can fix. Now I'm going to fix a new clutch here. It will come like that. We have to fix properly. This position should be here. Coming like that. Now you can see, dear friends, I can fix all the screws are here. It's coming like that. Also here also I can fix one screw. Together like that it will come. Here two screws will come. Okay, dear friends, now everything's perfect. Now I have to fix here coupling this on drain motor. It's coming like that. After that we can fix screw. Yes, here it's okay. Now we can fix straighter here. I have to give the connection. Before give the connection, I have to fix one wire here. Yes, okay. Now we have to take this wire from here to there. It will come like that. Now I can fix straighter here. It will come this way. We have to give connection here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix like that. You can see, dear friends. Yes, it will come like that. Only 3 bolts are coming. We will tie it properly. And finally I can fix the rotor here. Now okay dear friends, now already we fix rotor, no any issue. Now we will fix sub and all, after that we will check. Now we will think okay, now I clean also tub, you can see here properly, it is already clean. This is tub out, actually tub I have to fix, tub also I clean properly. Now we will fix the tub, after that our job almost will be finished. Now I'm going to fix here drum. So okay, now I have to fix clutch nut here. This washer I have to fix here. After that we have to tight. This nut is okay, no problem. It's no any damage. We can use again. Now we have to tie it properly. I'm using the same, this one. Now it's enough, it's tight now. Yes dear friends, now it's okay. Now I have to fix pulsator. Pulsator also be cleaned properly. Before fixing, we have to check. Before completing our job, we have to check with the control board and top cover. And I already fixed here temporary. I will give the power connection here. Okay, I already given power connection here. Now we will check one time. Pulsator also I fixed, not the permanently, temporary I fix here. You can see here it is okay. Now we will check one spin cycle. If it is working properly, our job will be complete. I select 15 minutes. Door already got locked. Drain pump also working. Yes dear friends, it is before not turning tub. Sorry, if it's not turning drum. Only the pulsator try to turn, but it's not turn also. Now I think it's already finished. It will be okay. Yes, it is turning. Yes dear friend, it is okay, it's working fine. I selected only the 15 minutes direct drive. Now I have to fix remaining back cover, also pulsator cup, also tub cover. After that my job will be complete. Motor increasing RPM, you can see, no any abnormal noise. Yes dear, it is working fine. My job already completed. I have to fix only remaining back cover and all. After that it will be finished. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.